Hey, Michael Harding here from Left Turn, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Mountainous Expert Advisor into your MT4. So once you've made the purchase from our website, you'll receive a downloadable zip file, and inside that folder, you will find a mountainous.ex4 file. So the first thing that we want to do is just copy this file. So I'll just right-click, copy, and then I'll go over to File, Open Data Folder, and then what I want to do is open up the MQL4 folder and then select Experts and then just paste it right in there. Okay, and then let me just close that down. I'll then open up the navigator window by selecting this icon here or pressing Control N. And then I'll just right click on Expert Advisors and hit refresh. And there you can see the Mountainous Expert Advisor has been installed. And then what you want to do next is just click and drag it onto the screen. Make sure under the Common tab that you have Allow DLL Imports as well as Allow Live Trading. Okay, and then you want to just hit OK. And we can see in the top right corner Mountainous with this sad face, and that's because we just need to make sure that the auto trading is enabled. So once I select auto trading, you can see that it went from a sad face to a happy face, and you can also see that a few trades were executed here. Okay, now we are trading New Zealand CAD on the 1 hour time frame, and this is what's recommended for this algorithm to perform at its best. You can modify the settings in the input fields, but I highly recommend just keeping the default settings as is. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.